Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix Favicon not showing on Wix website. So, in order to solve this problem, you'll have to navigate to your Wix website first. Then, you'll have to simply navigate to the browser where you have your Wix website created and log into your Wix website. Then, click on this three-dotted icon at the top right of the screen and select Settings. Now from this, choose Cache. Now, click on Delete Browsing Data option and choose Cached Images and Files, Cookies and Other Site Data and Browsing History. Now click on Delete Data and this will solve this problem instantly. But if your problem is still persisting and you're not getting any help by following the option, you'll have to simply navigate to wix.com, scroll at the bottom, then click on Contact Us page. Then choose Get 24/7 Support and you'll be promoted to this page. Now in this section, type in Contact Support and click on this arrow icon. After that, choose Contacting Customer Care for support, or you can also choose Contacting Wix Customer Care for support. Then scroll down and in this section, click on Get Started. Now you'll have to click on Login and type in your user credentials, log into Wix, then you will get instant support from Wix support team. So that's how you fix Favicon not showing on Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.